Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the isomorphism. So, what is isomorphism? The word isomorphism comes from the Greek word isos, which means equal, and morphe, which means form. In a geometric context, an isomorphism is one-to-one mapping between two sets of points that preserves the structure or the specific geometric rules of the space. Isomorphism refers to models being essentially the same, meaning magkaparehas lang. For incidence geometries, this means that there will be one-to-one correspondence between the two models. How are we going to say if two graphs are isomorphic? Two graphs are isomorphic if the following three requirements are met. First, if they have the same number of edges and vertices. For example, yung first graph mo ay may 4 na vertices and 4 na edges, kailangang yung pangalawang graph mo ay mayroon ding 4 na vertices and 4 na edges. Second, if they have the same degree sequence when written in non-increasing order. For example, yung isa mong vertex ay mayroong nakakabit na 2 edges, kailangang doon sa kabilang graph din ay yung isang vertex na yun ay mayroon din nakakabit na 2 edges. Third, if they have the same cycle structure. Now, let's proceed to example. Dito sa graph na to is makikita natin na naka-pentagon shape sila. And we can also say that they are definitely the same because kung ano yung vertices doon sa kabilang graph ay nandoon din sa kabilang graph. Kaya masasabi natin na isomorphic yung etong example na ito. Dito naman sa pangalawang example ay masasabi din natin na isomorphic ang dalawang graph na ito sapagkat kung ano yung bilang ng vertices at edges na nandoon sa kabila ay nandoon din sa kabila at parehas din sila ng mga vertices. Now, let's proceed to the third example. Ngayon, di ba sa una ay kailangang parehas ang kanilang bilang ng vertex at edges. Dito sa graph G, may kita natin na mayroong 5 vertices ang graph na ito. At ganun din naman sa graph G'. Tapos, sa number of edges naman is parehas din silang may 5 number of edges. Pangalawang requirements, if they have the same degree of sequence. May kita natin na dito sa may graph G, ang bawat isang vertex ay may nakakonektang 2 edges. At ganun din naman sa G', which met the second requirement. Third, if they have the same structure. May kita natin na yung graph G ay mayroong star shape. Samantalang sa G' naman ay pentagon shape. Ngunit kung titignan natin yung nasa loob ng star shape na graph G, ay may kita natin na nakabuo din naman ito ng pentagon shape. Ngayon, masasabi natin na ang dalawang graph na ito ay isomorphic sapagkat na-met nila yung 3 requirements upang masabi na isomorphic ang dalawang graph. And now, here are some key takeaways about the isomorphism. Isomorphic models mean two structures are essentially identical in form with a one-to-one correspondence between their elements. Second, if they have the same number of edges. Third, they share the same degree or sequence. And fourth is if they have the same cycle structure. And that would be all. Thank you.